Your mind, body, and soul must be in harmony with the things happening around you. And you value yourself, you must care yourself well. Here are 20 simple steps for self care. First, know your body. Care for the vital organs like brain, heart, lungs, eyes, ears, teeth, stomach, hands, legs, and the organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, blood circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, and the like. Next, eat good food in right time. Proper timing for eating food is very much essential. More vegetables and fruits, less animal fats, less sugar, less salt will be much better for your health. You will have less problem on blood sugar, less problem on blood pressure, so you will be healthy and happy. Third, do exercise, do regular exercise, few sit-ups, say 20 push-ups, walking, jogging a little bit, around about half a kilometer a day, it will be much better. Fourth, sleep well. Don't keep your mobiles, laptop, tablets near your bed. Keep your bedroom dark. Have a nice sleep. Sleep without disturbance. Next, take dinner at least 2 hours before going to bed. Go to bed early. Have a fixed time to go to bed and never stretch it. And don't see any ugly film, horror movies just before going to bed. 6. Read good books, blogs daily, learn new things, listen educational YouTube blogs, learn continuously, especially when you learn how to care your body, you learn a lot and you can help on your self-care. 7. No need to be always perfect. Perfection is a myth. Everything can be improved. So don't pay too much of time on perfection and get stressed. 8. Enjoy small things in life. Smell the rose. Love good things. Learn to appreciate beauty of nature. 9. See sunrise daily. Start your day early. Enjoy starting the day in cool atmosphere. 10. Learn from nature. Be patient. 11. Go for nature walk alone. Breathe fresh air. Talk to yourself. That equals to meditation. 12. Do what you love to do. Enjoy working. Be karmayogi. Results will automatically follow. No need to bother about result. Your good deeds will bring good results. 13. Meet new people. Go to new places. If you cannot move, see travel blogs. Nowadays amply available in YouTube for all places. And learn many things. Enjoy learning. 14. Contact your friends over phone. Talk to them and refresh yourself. When you talk to your friends, you talk by heart. And that refreshes you. 15. Be around positive minded people and think positive always. Never allow any negative thoughts to come and remain within you. 16. Know your goals and be dedicated to fulfill your goals. No need to procrastinate. Don't allow to procrastinate. Never allow yourself to procrastinate. Do whatever is possible and do it right first time if possible. And don't bother Go on, go on doing things. Always remain optimistic and resilient. Optimism is the best quality to go ahead. And even if you fail, bounce back with twice the force. No need to bother about failures. Be open to learn from failures and frustrations. Failures are good teachers. Learn from the failures. And then again, don't do the same thing. 19. Learn to neglect. There are many things which is beyond your control. So learn to neglect those things which you cannot do anything. Learn to say no. You cannot do many things at a time. No need to accept everything and get stressed. So remain without stress, remain happy and enjoy a good life with family, friends and in a good social environment. Wish you all the best.